Of this 1 week faculty development program. We are going to start with the review session. So before that, let me just know the reviewers are present in this session or not. I'm just stating out their names. For technical session 1, Miss Sanya Ahuja.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay. Miss Taminder Kaur. Mr. Manish Thakur.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay, sir. For technical session 2, Mr. Surinder Singh. The other one is also Mr. Surinder Singh. Miss Neha Kharbanda. For technical session 3, Dr. Neelu Mahajan.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Miss Ramandeep Kaur. Miss Parminder Kaur.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Negi ma'am, we have 2 reviewers from technical session 1 and 2 from technical session 3. So shall we start with this?
हाँ अगर बीच में ज्वाइन करते हैं तो देख लेंगे.
ठीक है. Thank you. Okay, we are going to start with the review session of technical session 1. I invite Miss Sanya Ahuja to review technical session 1. I request all the reviewers if they could please switch on their videos while reviewing.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Please go ahead.
Okay. Good morning to all present. I am Sanya. I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Commerce and Management at GGDSD College, Chandigarh. I am presenting my review for 12th June Technical Session 1. And as we all know, the Technical Session 1 was divided into 2 parts. So we have presented 2 separate reviews, as was told by Meenakshi ma'am at the beginning of the session yesterday. So I'll start with the first part. The topic of the session was emotional intelligence, and the first session of the 2-part session was presented by Ms. Anupam Jain. The first standing point raised by ma'am was that the situation of domestic violence in women, especially amongst the educated and independent ones, she stressed out the importance of discussing this topic and counseling on this issue by pointing out the importance of emotional intelligence. EQ is just as important as IQ, if not more. She pointed out that there are 2 kinds of people, the first who are listeners, and the second who can sense the feelings and emotions of other people while listening to them. It is these people who have a very high emotional intelligence. The point of difference between this session and all the other sessions during the week was the lack of a PowerPoint presentation on our screens. The reason for this, as ma'am pointed out, was that discussing emotional intelligence requires deep listening skills rather than looking at a screen. She shared that there are 4 attributes of EQ: self-management, self-awareness, social awareness, and relationship management. It is these factors which help decide whether a person is emotionally available or not. She shared an anecdote about a girl who asked her mother as to why the garbage collector is known as the kachrawala when he is the one collecting the garbage. Instead, it is us who spread the garbage that should be known as the kachrawala. This showed that the little girl possessed a very high level of emotional intelligence and maturity. From my understanding, this session and topic of discussion is of extreme importance today because of the impact that COVID has caused on our lives. Our lives have become more stressful, and we need to develop a high level of emotional intelligence to be able to cope up with it. We need to develop humor as a stress relieving tool so that we can improve our mental, physical, as well as emotional health. This was the review of part 1. For part 2, the second part of the session 1 was presented by Ms. Sonika Gupta. She is an advocate at the Punjab and Haryana High Court who started the session by defining emotional intelligence. She said that emotional intelligence is our understanding of others' emotions. Generally, we use the term reaction, but reaction is the scientific term for it. A behavioral term of how others react is known as the emotional quotient of the person. The importance of understanding and moderating our reaction is what differentiates us from others, especially when we talk in context of student-teacher relationships. In order to understand the topic of this session, that is the topic of emotional intelligence, we need to talk about human behavior and how to keep our emotions in check. Our reaction is our unconscious behavior in a situation, whereas our response is the conscious behavior of our mind and body. It is this conscious behavior that we need to build in order to develop a higher level of emotional intelligence. Once again, no PowerPoint presentation was used in this session, making it stand out from all the other sessions of this program. The focus was on talking and listening. The 5 elements of EQ were discussed in detail: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. In order to develop and implement these 5 elements of social skills, we need to learn the 3 A's of EQ. These are acknowledgement, accept, and act. Sonika ma'am gave many useful tips for managing EQ during her entire session, such as keeping a journal to write down our responses and what triggers them, practicing deep breathing to calm ourselves, trying to find the silver lining in every dark cloud, and tapping onto our empathetic sides more often than not. She ended the wonderful session by saying that communication is the key in all situations. We need to learn to observe and then act upon any situation. The session ended by discussing some relevant situation by the participants and how to react to stressful situations, which were very well explained by our 2 speakers. The entire 2-part session was presided over by Dr. Meenakshi Negi, and the vote of thanks was delivered by Ms. Puneet. Lastly, I would like to thank all the participants. As we come to the last day of this FDP, I would like to thank Principal Ma'am Dr. Rama Arora and everyone associated with IQAC at GGDSD College, Kerigunda, especially Meenakshi Ma'am, for organizing this wonderful session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for such an elaborative review of both the sessions. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Manish Thakur.
Good morning, all of you.
Yes, sir.
My name is Manish and I'm a research scholar at the Faculty of Social Work, the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda. It gives immense about the FDP program, which has been organized by GGDSD Kerigunda. And I would like to give my sincere gratitude to Dr. Meenakshi Negi, IQ, who have in the interest of development and these times. Thank you, ma'am, for such a wonderful program. Back to the review of the session, the technical session 1 was chaired and coordinated by Dr. Meenakshi Negi, and vote of thanks was given by Ms. Puneet. The session is about a very important aspect called emotional intelligence. Talk which was delivered by the eminent resource person, namely Ms. Anupam Jain, Chairperson CEIR and Indian Women's Network Chandigarh, and Tony that in that is our power to choose our response. In our response lies our growth and our freedom. It is taken from a book called Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl. He was one of the survivors of the concentration camp during the Nazi time. Miss Anupam Jain about importance of emotional quotient, which is nowadays equivalent to intelligence quotient. It is an ability to understand and manage emotion. A young girl who has a perspective of looking at a life, which makes a parent think perspective of seeing and doing things in argumentative, in and around our environment. we pay for our personal space. For that is improving our mental health and relationship to 4 quadrants: self-management, relationship awareness, and the session was interactive. Participants not only actively participated, but also asked their queries. The persons resolved it to their utmost. She summed up her talk that if good IQ personality whom everybody would look at. Coming back to reaction.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir, but there is disturbance at your end. It's not audible. No issues, you'll just send a write-up of the same at the email ID. Okay, thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite Miss Taminder Kaur. Is she here? Miss Taminder Kaur.
No, she has not joined.
Okay, ma'am. Now we'll be moving to technical session 2. Mr. Surinder Singh is there.
No, he has also not joined. Both Surenders have not joined.
Miss Neha Kharbanda.
Yes, ma'am. I'm audible.
Yes, good.
Okay. Good morning, all present. I Neha Kharbanda, research scholar in Department of Commerce of Punjabi University, Patiala. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the IQAC members, participants, and Principal Ma'am of ST College, Kheri Gurna, for successfully conducting the National Faculty Development Program in effective manner. I would like to give my review on technical session 2 by Ms. Namarta Singhania on the theme time management, which was held yesterday. The vote of thanks has been given by Ms. Sukrit Kaur, and the overall coordinator was Dr. Meenakshi Negi. The whole session was fascinating and informative. Ma'am explained the whole content in detail regarding the meaning and importance of time management. The session was not only for professional purpose, but also it will really help us in inculcating the valuables regarding the management of time in our daily lives. Ma'am recommended us the tips to manage time effectively, which will in turn lead to higher productivity and quality in every field. Some of the tips are setting smart goals, like which is specific, measurable, attainable, time-bound, and realistic. Second one is breaking out distractions. Third one is use calendars. Fourth one is schedule and prioritize. Don't procrastinate. It will only demotivate you, and avoid social media distractions as well. And these are the major hindrances in time management. She caught it very well that life is like a jar and we have to fill all the things. We have to fill all the things in a small jar. So we need to prioritize to enjoy every moment. She ended her session by lovely lines. Life is wonderful. Give time to yourself. And at last, not the least, keep smiling. So she also demonstrated small videos for engaging the participants for active learning. So at last, I would like to thank you for giving me the chance to attend this session. So that's all about my review. Thank you.
Thank you for such a wonderful review. Now we're moving towards to the technical session 3. I request Dr. Neelu Mahajan to present her review. Dr. Neelu Mahajan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, all. I am Dr. Neelu Mahajan, Assistant Professor in Department of Physics, Goswami Ganesh Datta, Sanatan Dharma College, Chandigarh. I would like to thank and congratulate Principal Ma'am Dr. Rama Arora and IQAC Coordinator Meenakshi Ma'am and all the organizing team members for successfully conducting amazing and informative faculty development program. I will review the technical session 3 from 2:30 to 4 p.m. delivered by Mr. S.K. Gupta from New India Insurance Limited on advanced presentation skills. Mr. Gupta, with his immense knowledge, made us aware about the nuisance of a good presentation. He gave us some very interesting and logical do and don'ts of presentation. He started his session with how to prepare for the presentation using 65 is to 35 formula as preparing the content, revising, and presenting. The various mediums that can be used to project our views like script, video clip, voiceovers, etc. He also made us aware of the right attire to be followed for the presentations. As per him, we should know our audience before we deliver so that we are prepared for the same. He also enlightened us about the right body language as well as synchronize our gestures with our words. He briefly mentioned about the challenges that we may face during our presentations via latecomers, interruptions, power failures, etc. He also made us aware about the basics of online sessions, fundamental, as in distance to camera, etc. While the entire session was appropriately curated, the PowerPoint presentation was not synchronized with the delivery of Mr. Gupta. Nevertheless, the overall session was very informative with the various fundamentals of presentation like KISS formula and YUCA, etc. I am very much confident that we would all use these in our sessions while delivering our lectures and benefit immensely from his rich experience. I thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for such a detailed review. Now I would like to invite Miss Parminder Kaur.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Good morning, everyone. I am Parminder Kaur, a research scholar in Punjabi University, Patiala, under Commerce Department. Before reviewing the session, firstly, I would like to thank my supervisor, Dr. Preeti Arora, for providing me such an opportunity to enhance my research base and which helped me to learn new things through this week-oriented session. Thank you so much, ma'am, and the entire organizing committee. The session was chairperson by Dr. Ankita Gupta, and the title is Advanced Presentation Skills. The resource person for the session was Dr. Surinder Kumar Sharma. Sir started the session by providing a quick warm-up session to the participants. According to Sir, if you are required to do any sort of public speaking, whether on online platform or presenting on a stage, a good presentation skill is required, which act as a communication skill. Sir mentioned the 7 C's of communication is the essence of presentation. Presenting information clearly and efficiently is a key skill in getting your message across. Formal attire for presenting matters as it is a part of first and last impression of the presentation. One should always keep a good smile while presenting, and voice must be audible to the participant. Sir also told that one should indulge real-time stories and real-life experience to connect to the audience. PowerPoint presentation should act as a pointers but not full-fledged text. Show more pictures to attract the audience than less. Overall, the overall session provided by Sir was very enhancing and skill-based. Thank you, sir, for providing me such a skill-based session. It helped the existing faculty and the research scholar in their future endeavors. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, entire IQSC committee, for this wonderful week-oriented seminar session.
Thank you for such a wonderful review. Now I'm going to name the reviewers. If they are present, just let me know. Ms. Taminder Kaur from Technical Session 1, Mr. Surinder Singh from Technical Session 2, Ms. Ramandeep Kaur from Technical Session 3. So we are going to end up with the review session of today. Over to you, Meenakshi ma'am.
Thank you, Preeti. So our valedictory session will start at 11. So till that time, if you have anything to discuss regarding the sessions or regarding the FDP, so you can do it now.
Hello, ma'am.
Can I,
Ma'am, good
can I say
morning.
a few words about whatever I put?
Haji sir, you need to speak a bit louder.
Yeah. Is it okay now? Am I audible? 1 minute. 1 minute. Is it audible now?
You are audible, but the volume is very low.
Is it? How is it now? Is it okay? It's audible now?
No.
No? Okay. 1 minute. Now? Is it fine? No?
No.
Okay. I'll probably disconnect and come back and do that maybe.
Okay,
Because
yesterday it was okay. Today it is not.
is it fine now? Still the same?
Yeah, maybe try speaking louder.
Yeah. Is it okay now? Fine?
Yeah, it is okay now.
Okay, fine. Maybe okay. Well, this 5 or 10 minutes probably can we discuss or tell about our experiences? Is that fine? Or you want that to be happening only during those
So
allocated?
it's during the valedictory session only.
Then it's fine because I wanted to probably share some of my experiences and probably could suggest a few things. That's the reason I wanted to. No problem. Then we'll take it up later.
That will be the formal your
No
you
worries.
will be
Yeah.
sharing formally your experiences. Now you can
Okay.
share it informally with us.
Yeah, well, see, I actually, felt that the sessions that were selected were really brilliant. I mean, like, I think we had about 18 so far, 3 each on every day, and 6 into 3, almost 18 sessions happen. Out of that, even if you select about, a couple of things, like 1/3 of that, or even, 8 or 10 of them were really very brilliant in terms of like the sessions like paradigms and multidisciplinary approach with respect to plagiarism and understanding the psychology of students, teaching pedagogy and professional ethics, and certain things like this were quite brilliant. And I think we will have to probably adapt all of these things in every situation we are in. At the same time, what I felt primarily was probably if it could have been restricted to 2 array, it would have been even more easier. So rather than 3 array, I mean 3 is like cutting it too short basically, and with respect to the timing, I would say rather, I mean, giving a little more time for the participants to react on that, and taking more time to probably understand as to what happened the previous session. So in terms of the time factor basically. So otherwise I felt everything was brilliant. I mean, there is nothing that I felt was not fine or something like that. It's extremely brilliant and very well organized one. And it was a really very informative session overall, in fact. So that's what I wanted to convey. So
Thank you, sir. It is good to know that you liked the sessions, the content, as well as the speakers. So before starting with the valedictory session, as we had already told you before starting this workshop, I want to say it again that your certificates will be given only if you have sent all the reviews, only if you have mailed all the reviews to us, and if you have filled the feedback forms. So your certificates within a week or so you will receive the certificates, and the certificates will be given only after once we confirm these two things, the feedback forms and the reviews.
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Hanji sir, I read your message. If you have my number is in the group, NFDP group. So please call me after the workshop. Those of you who has any problem regarding the feedback form or anything like that, you can call us.
Okay.